everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on my pet dog. My pet dog's name is Julie. Julie is very friendly and loves to play with me. She has soft, fluffy fur that feels nice to pet. Julie wags her tail whenever she sees me. She loves going on walks and exploring new places. Julie enjoys treats and always waits for them eagerly. She is very clever and can do a few tricks like sit and fetch. Julie makes me laugh with her playful and funny actions. She is very protective and stays close to our family. I love Julie so much and she is my best friend. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.